Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings, everyone. Chikwe.
Your Highness.
Fetch, do you know what want?
All right, Your Highness.
Honestly, this year's festival is going to be wonderful.
You are right.
It's going to be wonderful because from all indications, the preparations alone are something else.
I can't wait to be there.
So the festival itself is going to be something else. Yes.
Call pimple. What is this?
No, it's
Hey.
not pimple.
Oh, yeah.
Papa, how do I look? Oh, Papa.
Honestly, even here, Makita, you are now glittering like a mirror. Honestly, this shine on your dress, everything.
Hey, you look good.
You look so pretty, my dear. My daughter. This is wonderful.
Oh.
You see, this attire has brought out the hidden beauty. There is something hidden that ordinary eyes cannot see. I know my daughter. Oh no.
You are looking pretty. You'll be the center of attraction at that festival.
No, sure.
Papa, thank you for buying this wonderful George material for me. Thank you.
Naidalo.
Who else would I have bought? If not, no.
I'm going to dance for you.
Greetings, oh no.
Yes, greetings. How are you?
Igwe needs you immediately at the palace.
Igwe needs me immediately at the palace. Tell him I will be right there. I'm coming right behind you. Yes.
He'll be coming, eh?
Papa, I hope there's no problem.
How would I know? But I prayed I wouldn't be able to.
Give me that dance again. Oh!
On my face? Oh, yeah, now try it. Try it. Let me try it. Try it. Hey, who got mad? If you don't kill them. Hey, I will kill you. This man.
Hey, stop that! Hey, stop that! Stop that! This man. What is the problem and why are you both fighting?
She took my judge. My judge rapper. Who took your judge? Look at your judge there. Don't you have eyes?
Give it to me.
Eh?
Listen to me. Now the both of you are going with me to the palace. If we must hear about this, I won't allow the two of you to kill yourself over these pieces of wrapper. Do you understand? Yes! Now, move.
It's because of him.
Move!
What will you do? Because of him. What will you do?
I said
because of him. Let's go to the palace.
Now, move! I said move! I said move!
So make you know the drag this life. But be your own, now your own now. You don't need to fight to get it. You don't really need to fight because that's why the hatred.
Why would you do
Wickedness and greed.
Greetings, Your Highness. Your Highness, we are the daughters of Wanze, begotten by different mothers. Our father bought the same type of George wrappers for us in the last Abako Umabo festival. Her own faded out because of regular washing with detergent. This morning we washed our clothes. She intended claiming mine.
Your Highness, don't mind her. She's lying. It's us that faded. This one is mine.
Where is your father?
He went hunting with other hunters, and they usually come back after a week.
Bring it. Now one of you will have to forfeit this for the other. So who's it?
Your Highness, it's my wrapper. It's my wrapper, Jojo. My father bought it for me. It's mine.
Stop lying. It's mine.
She's
Well then,
lying.
in that case, I will have to burn it. Guards!
Please, my king. Please, don't burn it, please. Give it to her. I will take the faded one, please. I don't want my father to be angry with us. He bought these George wrappers for us. I don't want him to see that we are having misunderstanding. Please.
Come and have it.
I'm sorry, my king. I don't need it again. You can burn it.
Why?
Because I don't trust her. She might come back to fight me when we leave the palace.
Come. Go ahead. Take it. This wrapper belongs to you. On no account should you attack her again because of this.
Thank you, my king.
Yes, my king.
Thank you, my king.
This case is closed. Return back to your homes.
Thank
The king has spoken. Go.
Thank you, my king.
Guards!
Your Highness, I like the manner Igwe handled the case between those two sisters.
Igwe, my husband. He is so blessed with such great wisdom and intelligence.
Yes. And his principle for equality and fair justice has really endeared him to our people.
You know, Igwe is a man that has everything any woman can ever ask for. I am so proud to be one of his wives.
Yes.
Please, you have to hurry up. I have to go check if the food is ready because I do not want my husband to be hungry.
I'm almost done, my queen. You know, I can't wait to be married someday.
This tastes better.
My king.
Yes. Luce.
My king, I can see you're enjoying your food.
Oh yes, it is very delicious. I like it.
I prepared it specially for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I prepared it specially for you.
Oh, then thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Very delicious.
Thank you.
Your Highness,
Yes, there.
you didn't touch the food I brought for you.
Oh no, I saw two sets of food on the table. I tasted both of them and I decided to eat this one.
Your Highness,
Yes.
are you insinuating that my food is not delicious?
Oh no, I never said that. Of course you know I like your vegetable soup. But unfortunately I saw this and I'm eating this. I can't have everything we have on the table.
I don't need to be told that I'm a very good cook. That is why my husband loves my food.
Opuiche,
Yes?
you just heard him. He said he loves my vegetables. Besides, why do you always like to stir up trouble in this palace? Why? Why, Opuiche? Why? Why?
Excuse me? What you prepared is not vegetable soup. What is your problem?
You know it is my turn to serve Igwe food today. So why did you bring yours? Why? Why? Really? I brought food for my husband. It is his right to choose which he's going to eat from. Opuchi, you better not try this next time. I warn you. Do not try it. If I do, what will happen?
Do I need to take permission from you on how to feed and take care of my husband? What is your problem?
Opuchi,
Yes?
just try this next time. Try it.
What will you do? You can do nothing. What is your problem? Do I need permission from you on how to take care of my husband?
Try it again, Opuchi. Just try it next
You
time.
will do nothing. You can do nothing.
Oh no.
Your Majesty, may you live long.
You say,
This year's Sabako Mabo festival will be very, very great. Very unique.
of course.
Makona Abo, Ubos Natwari, here Natwari. The change affects everything. Today is better than yesterday. This year's festival definitely is going to be greater than that of the past years. And I hope these our pretty maidens will be present.
Well, let them go ahead and have fun. I wish them all the best.
Huh? Your Majesty, don't tell me you are not interested in this year's festival.
Oh no. Oh no, I cannot be interested in the year's festival. I already have two wives, Apuriche and Adadiogo.
I'm aware.
All I pray is that the gods bless me with a son who will succeed me after I must have joined my ancestors.
Yes, that has been our prayer. But Your Majesty, you have been with these wives of yours for some time now, and they have not been able to give you a son. I suggest you look inwards, maybe amongst these our pretty maidens. Maybe a virgin. Pick one. And the gods, out of their kindness and love, might favor you, might bless you with a male child.
And what if she doesn't give me a male child? I throw her away? Oh no, I'm already trying to contend with the problems. Those two are giving me. I do not wish to add another problem.
But you can't dictate for the gods, my king. You do apology, you do respect my king. You don't dictate for the gods. You are not the gods. You never can say. You are the chief custodian of custom and tradition of our land. You stand a chance of making a choice. If you look within,
I know losing the throne is a fear. But if it is the will of the gods, what can a mere mortal like me do?
Your Majesty, the gods have not defeated you. You don't have to defeat yourself by yourself. Meanwhile, I want to meet with the other chiefs. Let's look into the arrangement.
You can go ahead.
Yes.
Okenugo, I'm surprised that Igwe did not choose any of those maidens that came for the Obako Mabo festival. All the maidens that came for that festival are all disappointed because Igwe would have chosen any of them, but he did not.
That is true. I am sure our Igwe have other plans.
No other plan can be more important than having an heir to his throne.
I am surprised why the god hasn't showed mercy to the wives to bear him children.
You know, our Igwe is kind, generous, and a wise king. I just wish that someday the gods will bless his abode with plenty of children.
So,
if I had known that the Igwe won't choose anyone as anticipated, I wouldn't have accepted to attend the festival.
Me, they have prepared on how to get pregnant for the Igwe.
Well, I don't think it's easy as a thing to get pregnant.
What's so difficult in getting pregnant and having a son for the king?
Me, I don't know. I don't know.
Listen, girls, let me tell the both of you. Igwe's wives are outdated. And they don't know the threading style to use on Igwe.
Please tell me, what's the trending style to get pregnant?
Okay. They are still using Nigerian style on Igwe. And as for me, if I use acrobatic, doggy, Chinese style on Igwe, I'm sure that I'll get pregnant for Igwe.
Ginika, what is acrobatic, doggy or Chinese style?
That is the only style you will use on a man and you get pregnant for him.
Ginika, you are sports. Seriously. Well, it's only the gods that can explain why the Igwe's wives have not had a child.
I'm very, very disappointed with the outcome of the festival. Very, very disappointed at that.
You said disappointment?
Very, very disappointed.
My dear, me too that dance, that shake my bum for Igwe, still, he did not sing.
So both of you aspire to become the next queen.
Of course, why not?
Now that it didn't happen, what are you guys going to do? Igwe is why. So Chinya,
yes?
After this, what else are you doing?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
That's very funny. Don't you?
that I feel like throwing up. I feel dizzy and weak.
Your Majesty, I think we should take you to the hospital.
Yes.
Yes, Your Majesty, let's take you to the hospital. Yeah?
Okay, inform the king, please.
Okay, please hurry up. Yes.
Let me help you.
Your Highness, I have something to tell you.
Really?
Yes.
What is it?
I overheard Chinyere telling His Majesty that Queen Opurichi is sick.
So how is that my business?
My queen, with the symptoms she's having, I think no need to go for. She's pregnant. Yes.
How did you know that? Are you a doctor?
My queen, I am not a child. I know the early symptoms when a woman is heavily loaded. Yes. Well, I just said I should come and inform you.
Okay. You've done well. But now you have to go back to your duties. Okay?
Okay, Your Highness.
Agada.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Do take them to the hospital. And please drive carefully.
Yes, Your Highness.
My love, you will be fine. You need to get to the hospital for comprehensive medical checkup. Okay? I'll call the doctor to take care of you. Okay. Agada.
Yes, Your Highness.
Over to you. Be very careful.
The sky is always blue. And the momentous celebrations are here. Greetings, Your Majesty. Igwe Ukemefu. Yes, Katapu. Akajo for one of Aku is defeated. You're highly favored.
Ezemo, the little elephant that chases the mighty elephant. Kenkenyi, Nachi Gwenyoso. Eyes of the gods. Anyandi Moja Fuzo. To what do I owe this salutation?
The gods of your forefathers, in their wisdom, has chosen to give ears to your prayers. Your wife, Opuruchi, is with child.
Ezemo, how true is this?
It is true. Your wife is carrying a baby boy. She will bear you a son that will do wonders in this kingdom. The heir apparent to the throne of Ako is defeated.
Thanks to the gods.
The gods be praised. Agada, quick, take her to the hospital. I will call the doctor to take care of you. Be careful. Be very careful.
is not true. Like, I wish this is not true. Since Opuiche is pregnant, hey, that means that my stay in this palace is threatened. It is threatened because Igwe will just put all his attention on her just because she's pregnant. Just because she's pregnant. Oh God. What is this?
When you look disturbed.
It's true. She's pregnant. Ezemo has confirmed it. God.
Just calm down. You shouldn't let it bother you.
How?
I know the gods will favor you soon.
When? Ududima, when? Why do the gods want to ridicule me like this? Why? Why do they want to ridicule me like this? Why? What have I done to deserve this shame? You know Opuiche, you know her very well. You know what she's going to do. You know she'll basically walk me out of this place. You know it.
My friend, calm down. Calm down.
I don't know how to be calm. Don't you get it? I don't know how to be calm.
It's just a matter of time and everything will be fine. I know the gods will definitely favor you. Calm down. You don't need to get yourself worked up like this.
I know her. I know her. It's not like I hate the baby coming, but you know Opuiche, you know her, you know what. I'm scared. Like, I don't know how to be calm. God.
We all know how she is. But trust me, the gods will favor you soon.
Well, I'm glad you like it.
I love it so much, my husband. Thank you.
So tell me, what else will you love me to get food?
Okay, I'll just let you be for a few days and then I'll tell you about what I want. The next thing I want.
Oh, yes.
Majesty, is there any other thing I should bring for you?
Just go to Opuiche's chamber and make sure that everything is in perfect condition. Alright?
Okay.
Everything.
Okay, Your Majesty.
She's here. This is nice.
Oh, of course. Of course, my husband. Opuiche, welcome back.
Lolo Opuiche, how are you feeling today?
I'm better, my king. The doctor said I need to be well taken care of. He said I shouldn't do anything that will stress me or affect the baby. He also said that I need to be pampered. As a matter of fact, he suggested that somebody should be assigned to me that will help me take my bath on a daily basis.
Well, Opuiche, that is not going to be a problem. Because as a matter of fact, I could increase the number of maidens that serve you.
Oh, thank you, my king. Adadiogo.
Yes.
I am hungry. Please get me something to eat.
Oh, of course. That's your maid right there. Let me call her to get you something. Come dear.
Will you stop that? Stop it. I can't eat anything they cook. I can't eat anything prepared by the maidens. The doctor specifically said that I shouldn't eat anything prepared by the maidens. So please, Adadiogo, will you do me the favor of going to the kitchen and prepare me ora soup with enough meat, azumangala, and pounded yam? Thank you.
What? Wait, Opuiche, are you sending me to cook for you?
Adadiogo, what is so difficult to understand in this issue? Oh, sorry, I forgot. You don't know how it feels to be pregnant. I get it.
Adadiogo, why don't you go in there and prepare food for her?
Ibe, I don't understand this. So I have to now become her maid or her cook just because she's pregnant?
Adadiogo, you know how long I prayed to the gods for a child. Now I have one.
So I think the best thing you should do is pamper her until she gives birth. Okay? I'll go in there and make oha soup for her to eat.
Please don't forget. I said enough meat, azumangala, and pound the yam very well. Let it be soft. Thank you so much.
Aburuche, is everything alright?
Yes, my king. The baby is kicking. I guess he's hungry. Baby, I know you're so hungry, but don't worry. Soon, mommy will give you our soup with enough meat as a mangala, okay? But if you don't want that, you can tell me. I can actually ask her to get us something else, okay? Oh, you want? That's good. Okay, baby, I love you.
Adajogo, why are you still here? Now I command you to go in there and make something for her to eat. Now!
Pounded yam, I said, please.
Darling, I'm so sorry about that.
My king.
So, what is he saying?
It's fine, just that he's hungry.
Tell him not to worry. Very soon he will eat. Hmm?
Of course. Baby, you just heard your father. You eat soon, okay?
I like that. Can I get to touch?
Of course. Of course, my king.
Very well. Ah. It's kicking.
Yes. My king.
My daughter.
Here's your food.
Thank you, my daughter.
Let me go and bring your water.
Quick, do, please. Save time. Ugoma! Ugoma!
I'm coming, I'm bringing your water.
Come. Ugoma,
Here's your water.
what kind of food is this? What kind of food is this?
Papa, it's food. I don't understand.
Ugoma, the food you serve me is salty and peppery. In fact, it is tasteless.
Papa Biko. Papa, enough. Huh? I don't like it. You don't seem to like anything I do in this house.
Taste this.
Papa, how is this food now salty and peppery now? Eh?
You are asking me.
Huh? Grandma, calm down now. Papa is right.
I couldn't even eat the food either. See, if I slap you, if I slap you, do you know how to cook? Do you know how to cook? What are you even feeling like? So now, if they call chef to come out, you will come out. Of course, you know I'm a very good cook.
Papa here can attest to that.
Of course. I don't expect any other thing from Papa. Nothing better from Papa. Because I know, Papa that I know, will always support you.
Actually, shut up. Shut up there, Goma. Keep quiet.
Papa, is it not true? Is it not true? Anything I do in this family is wrong to you. Ugoma is the black sheep of this family. I already know where I stand.
That is the evil seed your late mother sowed. And I want to warn you. If you don't change your perception about life, I see you regretting it at no distant time.
I say, Papa, this one is a lie. I will not regret anything, Chacha. Papa, Obianuju, Ugoma will make it.
Make it again.
Make it.
When you can't cook.
I will hammer. Ugoma will surprise all of you in this village. Don't worry. No problem. For now, Papa, since you don't want the food, let me enjoy my food. Papa, including the water.
Take it, everything. I don't want it. Hey! John Polo. This is the evil seed. The late mother said, allow her. Like mother, like daughter.
Don't worry, Papa. You know what? I will just go in and prepare something delicious for you.
Please, don't delay. Go and
coming. I'm coming. Just a little bit patient.
Mama say so.
I'm coming.
The seed of discord planted by the mother is what we are seeing now. A child can never accept being wrong. That's bad.
Chooks.
Baby.
Honestly, you are the one after my heart.
Wow.
See, I've always been in love with you, even before you traveled to the city.
But the thing is, there's actually nothing going on between us. I've always been in love with your...
Just forget about her. Eh? Just take a good look at me. Huh? Just look at, do you want to miss this? Because of her? No. Eh? I'll give you all this.
I understand.
Just give me a chance.
Body.
What is it? We are on our way to your house. There is fire on the mountain.
Pt1. Fire on the mountain. What happened?
She's about taking what is yours.
Who is about to take what is mine?
Tell her, my dear.
Nne, we saw Ugomma, your own step-sister, hovering around you like a hawk. And as we are speaking to you now, she's already making advances towards him.
Here. Are you joking or what?
What's he joking?
Come, let's see now. Come and
Let's
see.
go and show you. Let's go and show you. Even with your 2 eyes.
You're waiting. Let us go.
Let's go.
I don't know, right now I'm anticipating having a nice time with you.
Oh.
Hope you know what I mean, baby.
Of course I know.
That's my baby.
And I'm ready to give it to you.
Oh, give it to daddy.
Anyhow you want it.
That's my baby.
Oh. But you know we can't do it here.
Okay, that's true.
So let's go to a more conducive place.
Oh, you're right, baby.
Where we can have it.
Yeah, baby. You're right, baby.
I told you. Look at that.
Chooks! Chooks! What are you doing with my sister Ugomma?
And what does it look like we're doing? Well, if you must know, we are going out on a date.
Chooks, is that true?
Of course it is. I mean, she's ready to give me what I've been begging you for years.
Full option.
And if you were me, what would you do? I'm grabbing it with my both hands. Alright? I've dusted you and I'm going for her. Get that into your head. Believe.
Did you hear him? Baby?
Honestly, Chooks, this isn't fair at all.
Huh?
Come on, Mission.
Did somebody just talk?
Baby.
Who is talking?
What are you doing here?
She gossip.
Go in and have some fun, baby. That's my baby. Hey, come go give it to daddy.
We need to get...
That's my baby.
Chooks, thank you.
Rock
Please
my
do.
roll, baby. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Did you see that? Did you see that?
So make you know the drag this life. But to be your own, now your own now. You don't need to fight to get it. You don't really need to fight. Because despite the hatred, wickedness and greediness, what will be, will be. What will be, will be.
So when you're done, you go to the general kitchen and get me fresh palm oil. Please be careful. Make sure you don't have seeds in that yam, alright?
Okay,
Adadiogo, what is going on here?
What do you mean, what is going on here? We're getting your food ready.
Adadiogo, I told you to pound the yam yourself and prepare the soup yourself. How dare you allow this, your dirty maiden, to pound the yam that I will eat? I am talking yourself pounding it! Adadiogo, do you want me to throw up and have miscarriage? Is that what you want? Ha! My king, have you seen it? Have you seen what I've been telling you, my king? Have you seen it?
Maidens,
Your Highness.
leave at once.
My king, I do not understand this. How could you have asked my maids to leave? You want me to do all this myself?
Didn't you hear what she just said? Or would you prefer she gets irritated after eating your food? Listen, I do not want anything to happen to my baby in there. So I'll advise you, do the work yourself.
Adadiogo, please pound the yam yourself and prepare the soup yourself. When you're done, bring it so that I and my husband can eat. Thank you. My king, let's go.
Very well, my love.
She's heartless, she's evil. She don't care for anybody but herself. She's sorry and sorrow. Why she wanna be the first?
Your Majesty, sorry about what happened.
I just want to be left alone.
My queen, we can't just leave you like this.
You both leave my presence now. Now! Gods of our land, what have I done to deserve this? What? Please take away this shame from me. Opuichi is going to turn me into a maiden very soon. Opuichi, why did you pour water on me? Why are you still sleeping by this time? Wait. It's just 8:20 in the morning. Besides, what's your business with when I sleep and when I wake up? How does that concern you? Adadiogo, if you don't stand up from this bed, go to the kitchen and prepare something for me to eat. I will pour you hot water. I don't understand that. Opuichi, what is your problem? What has come over you? I am the first wife and I demand some respect from you. First wife, my foot! There's a saying that any tree that could not bear fruit should be cut down.
I am pregnant for the king. As a matter of fact, the heir apparent is in here. So if you won't listen to my advice, it is better you pack your things and leave this palace.
No. You lie. I will not leave my beautiful marriage to the Igwe because of you. I won't do that.
Very well then. Get ready to serve me all the days of your miserable life. For a start, go to the kitchen and prepare me jollof rice and fried plantain. Hurry up. Right now. Move it.
I do not blame you. Onwa koro mi owa, buchi ya kakore.
For how long are you going to do this? You can't continue to serve her.
My dear, at this point, I don't have a choice than to be Opuiche's slave. Since the gods have decided not to favor me.
Your Majesty, I believe that someday the gods will remember you. We just need to continue praying to the gods.
Yeah. I also want you to remember me in your prayers.
Yes, my queen.
Alright, bring the raw rice, bring out the fresh tomatoes.
My stomach. My stomach.
What's wrong with you?
My king, my stomach is biting me. I'm hungry. The baby is hungry.
How can that be? We just had dinner not long ago. How come you're hungry again?
My king, am I supposed to tell my baby when to feel hungry? You don't know how this thing works. I'm hungry. I don't want to lose our baby. Please, I'm hungry.
We're not going to lose our baby. Okay? I will go and instruct the chief maiden to prepare something for you.
No. I don't want to eat any food prepared by the maidens. Haven't you noticed that they don't know how to cook?
So, who's going to prepare food for you by this time of the night?
My tummy. Adadiogo. Yes. Adadiogo should prepare something for me to eat.
It will be so inhuman to wake her up by this time of the night to make food for you.
So you prefer I have a miscarriage? Is that what you prefer?
No, no. Okay, I will go get her.
I'm coming with you. I'll come with you. Is everything alright?
Adadiogo.
Igwe.
Operation is very hungry. You need to go down to get her something to eat.
What? Yes, hurry up. I'm hungry.
At this time of the night? I'm not going to do it, I'm sorry.
I was sleeping already. Hey, I knew it. I knew she wants me to have miscarriage. Ever since I got pregnant, she's not happy. She wants my baby to die of hunger. My king, I'm hungry. Your son is hungry. I need to eat something. I'm sorry, I can't do it all. Listen, you have maidens here. They can cook anything you want.
How dare you! How dare you decline my orders? Have you gone mad? You listen, God. You must prepare for her. Else, I will send you out of my palace. Now move. I said move!
You didn't ask my baby what he would like to eat. Baby, I know you're so hungry. Don't worry, mommy will give you something soon. So tell me, what would you love to eat? Or soup? Okay, with what? Of course there'll be enough fish. What else? Meat. Okay. Adajogo, my baby said he would like to eat ora soup with enough fish and meat.
Don't worry, I'm sure she got the message.
Yeah. Thank you, my king.
Lead her.
Thank you so much.
Oh, very careful.
Yeah.
Please come, baby.
Your Majesty, why are you crying? Let me help you. Just leave it. Oh, let me do it. It's my cross. Let me carry it. Please let me help you, please. No. If she finds out that you helped me, she won't eat it. Don't worry, nobody saw me coming. Let me Don't worry. Just. It's my cross. Oh, carry it, please, my queen. Why? God of our land. Why? Why are you letting Uche do this to me? Uche that I supported my husband to go and marry. I welcomed her into this home. I helped make her very comfortable in this palace. And now, she's doing this to me. She wants to humiliate me and let me down at every point. What have I done to her? What have I done? Gods of our land. Please don't let Uche embarrass me in this palace, please. Please bless me too. Bless me too with the fruit of the womb. God of our land, please bless me too with the fruit of the womb. Adadiogo, where are you going? You look like me. You're dressed like me. You even talk like me. But you're not me. I have an information for you.
You will give birth to a son, and his name will be Munachimso. He will be the pillar of your family. How is that possible? Even when I'm not pregnant?
Was a dream? Munachimso. Munachimso. Munachimso.
You know, when a preacher delivers, I will throw a big feast to celebrate and thank the gods. You and the preacher will wear same regalia. Adajogo, you sleep. Is it because I am not making sense? Adajogo. Adajogo.
Your Majesty. There's another. Let us sleep. The gods have brought sleep to our eyes.
Eyes of the gods. You speak in foreign tongue.
Eyes of the gods. I greet you.
Your Majesty, your wife, Adadiogo, has been wailing and crying all night. Your Majesty, your wife, Adadiogo, has been wailing and crying all night, asking the gods for a favor. They have decided to grant her request.
Is it more? But you're saying...
Your Majesty, she's been dizzy and sleepy of late, if you have noticed. She is 2 months pregnant. Work is done here.
The gods. The gods, I thank you. Thank you, gods. Gods of our land, I thank you. I can't.
I want to look good for the king, irrespective of my pregnancy.
Your Majesty, trust me. I will make you look beautiful and sharper more than you imagine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your Highness, this will just left the palace.
Who knows what he has come to do?
He came to tell the Igwe that Queen Adadiogo is 2 months pregnant with a baby boy.
What?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Chime, are you sure of what you are saying? I heard it clear.
Well, I thank the gods for favoring me with the first child. A son, for that matter. The heir apparent
to the throne.
Yes.
Yes, Your Majesty. You don't need to worry. You know you are highly favored. Always.
Congratulations, Your Majesty.
Thank you. Get me my food, I'm hungry.
Your Majesty.
Beautiful. Your Majesty, we were asked to help you to your room. Are you okay here? Yes, I'm fine here. I'm okay here. You both can go back to your domestic chores. I'll be okay.
Your Majesty, Igwe instructed we look after you.
Don't worry. I'm okay. I'm fine. Okay, you know what? Let Udodima stay with me and then you can go, okay?
Okay, my queen.
Alright, thank you.
My queen, are you okay?
Udodima.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You know you're my most trusted maiden.
I know, my queen.
I was so happy and excited when the Ezemo announced that I am 2 months pregnant.
Oh my God. My queen, I'm so happy for you. You know what? You need to go and thank the gods. Yes. You need to go and thank them for heeding to your prayers all this while. Who knows? They may grant you more favors.
Udodima.
My queen.
You see why I like having you around me.
I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you.
Onye na-ebe? Ichie! Bye. It is Otenko. Hey. Oh.
Otenko. Good day.
Obialoju. Kekwan.
Kekime.
I am very, very fine. Oh? Is your papa too? Hi. But he asked me to bring palm wine for him now. Maybe you should keep it for him.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
I hope it's sweet.
It is sweet as you. Wataka. Thank you. All right. Now.
Okay.
I will do. Yeah, good. There's something I want to tell you.
What is it?
Pata. Come outside. Don't mind me that I am saying this, so it is just that it is disturbing me inside my hobby. Every time, since I don't want to say it, it will be doing me Igbo. Huh? So don't mind me that I have to say it now. It's just that I've been observing you right from the first day I saw you, and I like you, and I want you to be my baby. Why are you laughing at me now?
Otenko.
Baby, I'm sorry.
Well, Otenko, if it was now, I'm not interested in any friendship.
Hey.
Or even with any man in this village.
It's like you're not understanding. I say I want you to be my baby. I don't know, this your refuser now. Does it have anything to do with what happened between you and Chus? See, I am not like Chus, I am different.
You're not from this village. So, how did you know something happened between me and Chus?
You've forgotten already. I am Otenko, the pine wine seller in this village. I know everything that happens around now. Please, oh. Just take your time, think about it. Oh.
Who do we have here? Oh, Bobo, wait. My sister, my son. Oh, go with the sauce. Hey, yeah, my brother. What are the both of you discussing?
How is it your business?
Is it your business?
No,
don't worry. It is not my business. I don't even want to know. Because looking at your face has shown it all. Don't worry, Nne. And they say birds of the same feather always flock together. Ujuwa. Wait now, let me advise you as my sister. It is better you just start tangling with him than dragging my choo-choo. Oh, Obi, with me. The both of you fit. Follow your day. These are slippers.
I will be on my way. Apple, this is your sister.
Escort him now. Who do you escort him?
Shut up there. They can bed free.
Follow him now.
Great one.
My daughter.
Great one. The doctor confirmed that the baby in my womb is doing very well.
The gods spoke a word and it came to pass.
Thank you, Great one.
You're welcome.
Great one. I came here to say a very big thank you to you and the deity, Ezekala, for answering my prayers. I came with a little token. Just to say thank you.
Drop it there. Ngana wa kwa maribe nyere no. Ngana gusu na gemo. Ngana gu gbara nu soro bia. Obia na o. My daughter, as you can see, the gods have accepted your sacrifice.
Thank you, Great One. Thank you. Great One, I have another favor to ask of you.
And what could that be?
Great One, I want Adadiogo to have miscarriage. I want my child to be the only son of the Igwe. As a matter of fact, I don't want him to compete with anyone over the throne.
My daughter, remember, to whom much is given, much is expected.
Yes, Great One. I am ready to do anything at all.
And me melo yisu ku ebele omo na kwali okpo. Ai! Ofia flago. Onye mmụọ na-atụ egwu mmadụ na-atụ egwu. Agwọ na-eri agwọ bia. Mbụba ana-afụ anya. I am ready to do whatever you ask me to do.
Thank you, Great One.
You're welcome. You may now go.
Thank you.
Go. Go!
I feel like eating something very different today. Let's check the store and see what they have.
Alright, Your Majesty.
What is it, Michael? Are you fine?
Yes. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Dad! Dad! My queen! Dad! Your Majesty.
I will look into it and get back to you. Very well then. Do have a good day.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Your attention is needed.
What is wrong?
The queen is sick.
Which of my queens?
Lord Wadadiogo.
Quick, take me to her.
Open.
It is Your Majesty. I've come to inform you that the Lord is not outside.
What?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Is she sick?
I think so. I think so.
Okay. Go, I'm behind you.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Ada Diogo, I will finally laugh when the baby in your womb is flushed out.
Easy.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Thank you. Easy, my love.
My love, you'll be fine, okay?
Ada Diogo, so sorry. You'll be fine. Your maid will take care of you, okay?
Thank you.
Agada,
Yes,
drive carefully.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Guard!
True.
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, good. Go to the pharmacy and get her some drugs.
Okay, doctor, how is she?
She's lucky the shock did not affect the baby. But I have a message for the royal house. Henceforth, she shouldn't be allowed in any hard activity. Her survival and that of the baby was by chance. But I assure you, she will be fine.
All right. Thank you, doctor. I also have to thanks to the guards who made this possible. I'm so grateful.
Okay, I'll leave both of you now.
All right, doctor.
All right, doctor. Thank you. You'll be fine. Thank you, doctor. Please call my maid. Why do you do?
Okay.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
Hey, no, the mention. Hey, Neyumakas. Beautiful girl. Thank you for coming. You are here already, eh? Thank you for honoring my invitation.
So you said you wanted to see me.
Yes, I want to see you because I have a special gift for you from my heart. Eh? Don't worry. In fact, take it all.
What is it for?
It is for you.
What is it for?
Eh? Nina Juzimaju. Eh? How can a beautiful girl like you telling me you don't have a need? You need money to take care of your need. Eh? You can buy clean. Eh? Buy soap or goduncha. Buy toiletries. Anything just to sort yourself. Oh?
You're so thoughtful of you.
Hey, now like this, your smile. Hey! No, touch me again, no? Because just touch me again. Oh, hey!
I have to start going now.
You can go. Thank you very much. Eh? God bless you. Hey! Bye-bye. Hey! Touch me small. Touch me small. Hey! Hey! Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hey! Hey! Chimo! Hey! Hey! I am not talking. Hey! And in your progress, ya will get on the go cooking a gaffy, bushman.
Ah.
Daddy, you woke up.
My darling queen. It gladdens my heart to know that you are all right.
I am fine, Igwe. And the baby is fine too.
And I'm happy to hear that. Welcome back, my love.
Thank you, my love.
Please, let us go back inside. Huh? Ah.
Leave.
Amarachi, please stop.
Just what is it?
Amarachi, all I'm asking is for you to give me a little of your time. Let me tell you how much you mean to me, Amarachi. Please.
What do you want me to say that I've not said before? Everybody knows in this village that Ugoma is your girlfriend. What else do you want from me?
Amarachi, yes. She used to be my girlfriend, but not anymore. Not anymore. Everybody in this village knows she has a cruel character. Amarachi, listen to me. Besides, I'm searching for a wife and I want to get married. And you are the woman I want to get married to. All I'm asking is for you to give me an opportunity to prove to you how much I love you. Please, Amarachi.
The same way you love Obianuju and dumped her for her stepsister. I don't want to face such kind of experience.
Not at all. Everybody knows she has a cruel character. Please, just give me an opportunity to prove to you how much I love you. From the depth of my heart, I love you. And I want to make you my wife. Please, Amarachi. I'm serious.
Okay, I'll sleep over it. Just give me some time. But I have to go.
Thank you very much. But hold on. Let me... Can have this? Just cards. Just... Okay? Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Take care of yourself.
My daughter, your heart is troubled. What is the matter?
Great one. I want a dadiogo and a son to die. Or let her have a stillbirth. I want my son to be the only son of the Igwe.
Ibo Bakaria and a son with Ibo Bongo. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. My daughter, the deity have heard your heart's desires, and they shall grant your heart's desires.
Thank you, Great One. Thank you so much.
Ibo Bakaria. Ibobo Akaria.
Girlfriend, you won't believe it. She is asking me out.
Wait. Who did you say that is asking you out? Choose.
Yes.
That useless womanizer. Hey. I don't know why some guys are heartless. Eh? So that guy wants to sleep with all the girls in this community. Give me a can.
How can you say that? Or are you talking out of experience?
God forbid. Over my dead body, would that useless choose of a guy sleep with me? After all he did to Ogeniju, he dumped Ugoma. Now it's you. My sister, be careful.
Well, I told him I'm going to think about it.
There is nothing to think about here. There is nothing to think about. See, you have to be careful. Unless you like him, you can go for him.
I'll still think about it.
See, babe. You better wisen up. Wise up.
I'll take my leave. I'll be leaving. See you later.
My sister, you're going, eh?
Okay. Let me go in and cook since you guys are leaving.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey, Juju.
Sorry, Amanda, you scared me.
I'm sorry that I scared you. I came to see how you're doing.
I'm fine.
I'm fine. I brought you this.
Hey!
You like them?
Oh my God, yes! Wait.
I hope you didn't burn your food.
They are nice.
I actually went to Chanja Market. That was where I bought it.
Yeah.
You like it, eh?
Yes, I like them. But Amanda Neze, why are you giving me all this special treatment?
Juju, please sit down, no?
You should sit, it's my house.
It doesn't matter, sir. Just sit down, no?
Okay. I have food, do you want to eat?
No, the food can wait later. See, to tell you the truth, since I met you, I know I have not have the river to tell you what is on my mind. Anytime I go to my house, my heart will be doing boom, boom, boom. That is why someone called it today to tell you.
It is liver, not river.
River, okay. See, Juju, I really love you, and I want you to be my wife. In fact, in you I see my wife Matilia. You're my full option. Oh, because you know.
Amanda is I'm scared.
Of what now?
I'm scared. I don't want to. See, I don't think this relationship will last. Huh? I don't want to experience the same thing I had with you.
Baby, why are you talking like this now? Huh? You know I can never do anything to hurt you, no? Huh? I love you from the innermost part of my heart. Huh? I cannot hurt you. Huh? Yeah, Chirikwa. Are you trying to break up with me very soon because I am just an ordinary palm wine tapper?
Yeah, what are you doing with this poor palm wine tapper? What are you doing? You don't know what to say. I'm listening.
Papa, nothing. No. You just stopped to say hi and hail me.
To hi and hail you. Good. So you are now an Nigerian masquerade that they hail. And you, I have warned you severally to stop disturbing my daughter. Why are you here again? What do you come to do here again?
I did not come to do anything. I only came to place pimples, as in pimples. I came to give her
You came to praise her people, buy her sweet, buy chingon, everything. What of guluguli? You put up guluguli bread. What of them? Get up. I know your plan. Your plan is to get my daughter pregnant, and if that happens, I will kill you with my dengue. Nonsense. Look at you. He came to praise people. He came to give you. What is that in that paper? What is there? What is it there?
Sweetheart.
Yes, sir.
No, I'm actually meaning to come to inform my kinsmen so that you can come and see your people.
Are you serious?
Definitely, baby. I'm very serious.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby. You know I love you so much.
I love you too.
And my dream is to have you by my side all day, and I want you to be the mother of my kids. I love you, baby. Come here.
Oh, baby, I love you. I love you.
I love you so much.
What is going on here? Chooks, what is she doing with you?
And what do you think she's doing?
Amarachi, what are you doing with my man?
Excuse me. For your information, I am not your man. Whatever we had ended a long time ago.
Eh?
Listen, you are nothing but a cheap flirt. And I can't have anything to do with you.
Hey!
See?
So I am now a cheap flirt, eh? After everything I gave to you. Well, if you think that I will allow her to take my man without a fight, then you must be joking.
Oh, hey, hold it there. Listen to me. Hold it there. I don't ever want to see you again. Come on, leave this place.
You will see me,
No!
You will see me.
See?
You cannot just dump me like that. It's not possible. As for you, Amarachi, me and you in this village, eh? You know me
You
now.
will do nothing.
Ukoma.
Get away from here.
Okay, you are now pushing me.
Get away from here.
We shall see.
He has made this choice.
Cheap
No.
prostitute like you. Look at this thing. Sweetheart, please don't mind her. So as I was saying, baby, you'll actually come see your people and do the necessary rites, and you'll be my wife forever, baby.
Baby, I can't wait.
I love you so much.
Welcome to my house.
Dario Ichie.
My wife told me you are waiting for me.
Yes, I actually saw her when she was going out, and she said you are somewhere down there, that she will tell you I'm here.
Okay, I hope all is well.
There's no problem, but there's a little problem at the same time.
What is it?
Ichie, you see, you're one of the elders that I respect very, very much in this community because of your love for equity, love, and fair play.
Thank you for the compliment.
Ichie mentioned. You see, Ichie, I know I am not from this community, but I have lived in this community. I have done my business here for more than 9 months. So I know the rules and the tradition in this community. So Ichie, you see, why I came to you is because there's this girl that I love so much in this community. Her name is Obian Uju. Ichie Nwanze's daughter. I love this girl so very much. But the papa is the problem. The papa doesn't want me to marry her. Ichie Biko. Biko, I love this girl very much. Help me talk to the papa now. Eh? If I don't marry this girl, I will just die. I am just a pop and wine tapper. Eh? Or is there a tradition in this your community that says a pan wine tapper should not marry an Ichesu daughter? Eh? Biko, help me, Biko.
Sit down. Sit down first. Sit down. Sit down.
Okay.
So once they refuse that you will marry his daughter.
Exactly. Eh?
So I hope Obianuju has agreed to marry you.
Yes, so she has agreed. It's just the papa.
Okay. I will make her time to talk to Manze. And whatever the outcome is, I will let you know.
Hey, Eche, Biko. You're my only hope.
Don't worry.
I am counting on you, Biko.
Expect good news. Yes.
All right now. There's no problem. Eh?
I'll talk to Manze.
Thank you very much.
And he must accept you.
Thank you.
You know, poverty is a disease. Especially when it is caused by itibolibo. As you did not go to school, it's not easy. But you have to marry, especially when the girl has accepted you. You are hardworking.
I know, thank you.
Yeah? Ugoma. What is wrong with you, Ugoma?
Why are you crying? What happened?
Ugoma, are you deaf and dumb?
Mama, it's Choose.
Choose? Who is Choose?
Her boyfriend. Let's see. Obikaso.
What did he do to you?
Mama, he pieces my heart, Mama.
How?
He dumped me for Marachi. Me, Ugoma, he dumped me for Marachi. I will never allow her to take what belongs to me. She will never take it from me.
Hey!
So, do you now understand how I felt? When you took Choose away from me. You know, no wonder they say, what goes around, comes around. Hey!
You don't have to continue crying over a man who doesn't care about you.
Papa, you will not understand.
Then you make me to understand.
Papa, I love him. I love him.
Don't get quiet. Let me hear what. Papa, you don't understand. I love you. What do you know about love? Look at you. Look at how pretty you are. You are crying over somebody who doesn't even care about you. Somebody that don't even care if you exist. Will you get inside and look for something to do? You expect me to cry over somebody who doesn't care about me? No matter how painful it is, I will bear it. Not to start crying, lamenting over. That's rubbish.
Fine. I will instruct my elders in council to look into it.
My king.
Is it the baby?
Yes, my king. Yes.
You must stay strong. You'll be rushed to the hospital immediately. Made it. Take care of her. Agada! Agada!
Otenku, isi na afa gị bụ Amandi Aneze. Ma bụ nna gị anụ. I cannot.
Hey, Papa, you're very, very fun. Very fun. Baby.
Finish it though.
I am okay. Huh?
Okay.
Hey. Oh, Malo Jam. Nai, I want to thank you very much for everything you've been doing for me. Most especially for allowing your daughter Obianuju and I to get married. Thank you for giving us your cassettes.
And you are thanking me for giving you my consent. It's not cassette. Cassette again is the time era of cassette is over. You see, Otenku, sorry, Mandia Neze.
Papa.
All I did was to protect her. What I need is a man that will love her and take good care of her. As you see her, we are not too rich, but we are not hungry. Always give her what to eat. That is just all.
I understand everything you've said perfectly. And I'm assuring you that I will take proper care of your daughter. Oh? I love your daughter very much. And I will not do anything that will hurt her. As for the feeding aspect, be rest assured that she will eat very well. I will try my best that she never goes hungry. If it's for the clothes own too, I promise you she will be wearing fine clothes. Steady. That one I promise you, so don't worry about that. And I still want to ask for one more favor.
Favor, like what do you want? What do you really want?
It's not something so big. I want you to give us your permission. I want to take your daughter Obianuju to go see my parents. I've told them about her, so I want to take her to go see them.
You are really serious. That will be very nice. But before then, I will like you. We've already this.
Papa, what did I just hear?
What did you hear?
Hey, oh, Papa, so you want to allow this poor and wretched Kawantapa to marry your daughter Obianuju?
Hey. What do you expect me to do?
Which forest is he even from?
Ugoma, do you know you're embarrassing me?
Hey, Papa, did you hear that? Embarrassed.
Yes, you're embarrassing me.
He's putting Elu in where Aru is supposed to be. Simple English. Can you speak?
Enough of that. Eji simple English aburu.
Hey.
Anya can Eji simple English in aburu.
Papa, it's okay. Ugoma, if you care to know, I am from Mbanasa Ono Kingdom. You know go? Oh?
Mbanasa. That is synonymous with human ritual. Okay, oh, everything is clear to me. Now I know your plan, but it will not work for you. So you want to use my only sister for money ritual, eh? This will not work for you. Just swat it right there. Oh, come on. Hold it right there. I have had enough of you. I will stand there and watch you ruin my marriage with Amanda Nazar. Because you're too envious. That is your problem. Do not push me. Please bring out your hand. Me.
Alado,
hey,
me, woman and woman. You don't finish their talk.
Me. Who come man at this village? Marrying this poor church rats.
Don't mind her, oh? Happy Yaka. Don't worry.
Look at the man you want to English. Baby. Carry on with it. Get out.
Dr. Susan.
Yes, sir.
Don't you think the king should know the country?
Well, she's having complications with delivery. And she has been in labor for 2 days. The more we try, the more precarious the situation becomes.
You're not going to tell that to the king, are you?
But sir, we have been trying our best. And I believe soon she will respond to treatment and deliver.
All right. the king is actually waiting at the reception. So maybe you can go and talk to him and argument issues with him.
It was a waste of time talking to you after all.
Whatever.
Maidens,
Your Highness.
what is wrong with her?
My king, she became so restless.
My love, what is wrong?
Igwe, it's the baby. I think he wants to come out.
No, that's not possible. You are just 7 months out.
Igwe.
You're not due for delivery yet, okay?
Igwe, I don't know.
Bring her.
I'm getting weaker.
Open the car. Sorry, my love. Sorry, darling. Please, take her to the hospital.
My king.
Yes.
Her Majesty has just been delivered of a bouncing baby boy.
Oh, thanks to the gods. Opuruche has finally given birth.
No, my king. Opuriche is here to deliver. It's Her Majesty, Adadiogo, that just delivered.
What? And how is that even possible? Adadiogo is just 7 months gone.
We're all surprised, my king.
And how are they doing?
They are fine, my king. Though the baby is being kept in the incubator by the doctor.
Then I must see them at once. Agada!
Yes,
we'll leave
my
for the
lord.
hospital. Now. Good day, Doctor. How's my wife, Opuruche, doing?
She's fine, Your Majesty. She just gave birth to a bouncing baby boy.
Thank you very much for this great news, Doctor. I am truly grateful. Thank you.
God be praised. The gods be praised. Ah.
My king, I don't understand what we're talking about here. Everybody knows that my son Ikemba is the first son of this family.
You lie, Okwuchi. I said you lie. Igwe, my son is the first son. Munachimso is the heir to this throne.
Adadiogo, your plans to bring confusion into this palace will never work.
You are the one, Okwuchi, trying to bring confusion into this family. You are the one.
I got pregnant before you. Even the Ezemo confirmed it. I carried Ikemba in my womb for 9 months. And you dare say your son is the first son of this family? Adadiogo, please remind me again where your son was kept after delivery.
Okwuchi, overtaking is allowed. Overtaking can be anywhere. It can be on the road. It can be in business. But in this case, as we all can see, it is childbirth. My son, Munachimso, overtook your son in the womb.
Will you shut up? Will you shut up? Shut up! I gave birth to Ikemba through normal delivery, just like every complete woman. Oh yes, I did. What about you? Your son is an incubator baby, a premature baby. And premature baby cannot rule over this kingdom, can never be the first son of this family.
Opuriche, don't you ever refer to my son as an incubator baby. Don't you?
If I do, what will happen? Your son is an incubator baby. An incubator baby cannot be prince, cannot rule this kingdom.
Enough!
Your son is
I said!
I'm sorry.
Enough. Both of you. I will not have you two tear yourselves apart before me. Now I command you to retire back to your chambers and take care of our sons while I think. Now!
Your son is a premature baby. Premature baby cannot be king. Premature baby cannot rule his palace.
Woman, your heart is heavy.
Great one, I am not happy. I am pained. I got pregnant before Adadiogo, but she put to bed before me. As a matter of fact, I spent days with prolonged labor.
Deity is aware of that.
Great one. You were supposed to kill her and her baby, but the baby survived. She didn't even waste time with delivery. Ofia Fulago, what is going on?
I waited for her in the 9th month, which is the due month for every woman to give birth. But she gave birth in the 7th month. That is the reason I couldn't kill them.
Ofia Fulago.
Oh, Mom.
A serious contention is going on. Onu's son is supposed to be the first son of the king.
And I'm happy Saka Webabodona. You got pregnant before her. So therefore, your son is the heir apparent to Aku Ezinifte kingdom.
Great one. There must be a way out. Yes! I don't care whatever it takes. There must be a way out. I want that boy to die. I want Munachimso to die.
Swanu magwum putumpo. Swanu magwum putumpo. To witness Monachi's death. I don't want you to miss his death. Rush home now. You may now go. Rush home! Rush home! Oda mbapo mbapo. Ayawagebe. Oda mbapo mbapo. Ayawagebe.
What happened to him?
It is Your Highness. Igwe, I don't know. He suddenly developed this very high fever. Igwe, I'm scared. Our son is about to die.
The gods forbid that. Quick! Let's take him to the hospital. I'm coming with you. You, let's go.
Yes, sir.
She's heartless, she's evil.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings. Your Majesty, I came to tell you that Lolo Adedogo's son, Munachimso, is sick.
What? How come I didn't know? Okay, who this baby? Let me go and see them.
No need. They already left to the hospital with the Igwe.
Ask Chinyere to see me.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Hello? Yes. They're on the way to the hospital. Yes. Thank you.
She's heartless, she's evil. She don't care for anybody but herself. She's so mean and so...
Majesty, what happened to him?
Doctor, my son is dying.
That is not possible. What happened?
No, doctor. His condition got worse. His temperature kept rising. As soon as your nurses gave him the injections you prescribed, his temperature got very higher than I was even complaining about. God.
Nurse, go and get me the injection I asked you to give him immediately. Okay, doctor. Doctor, will my son be alright? He'll be fine.
What? The doctor is suspecting that we didn't give the baby the right prescription. She even asked that I bring the empty containers that was used for the injection.
Listen, on no account should they find out that there was a foul play. You know the consequences.
Okay, let me just go and get the empty containers that was used for the injection so I can throw them away.
It's okay.
Doctor, these are the containers for the injection that was given to the baby.
Throw it away.
Okay,
doctor. Your Majesty, you don't need to worry. He will be fine.
Sure, doctor, are you sure?
Yes, he'll be fine. Excuse me, I'll be right back.
Oh, you're still around?
Yes. I'll be right back.
The most annoying part is that the doctor suspected overdose of drugs in his system. I'll tell you, I'm glad Munachimso is alive today.
I have this feeling that majority of them are quack.
Oh, yes.
They would have killed an innocent boy just because of their foolishness and carelessness.
You see, I remain indebted to that doctor. If not for his experience, Munachim will be dead by now.
May the gods forbid. My king.
Yes, my love.
Please permit me to go breastfeed again, Ba. I overheard him crying.
Oh, please. You're permitted.
Thank you.
Good. All praise to the gods. My son is alive.
Relax, okay? I will explain to you inside. Let's go.
My lord. You said you were going to see your parents.
Yes, I said we are coming to see my parents.
Oh, what are we doing here? Obviously, this is a palace. Or do you want to pay homage to your king?
Baby, don't worry yourself. Who? Very soon you will understand why we are here. Who? Just come on down. Coming down. Baby. Hi. This palace is very fine. Hey. Princess.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you very much. What of his Royal Highness?
He's on his way, they're coming.
Hey.
You both are highly welcome.
Hey, thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, princess, you're beautiful.
Thank you.
Hey.
She is.
She's fine.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings, Your Highness. Igwe, this is Obianuchu, the girl I want to marry. I brought her to introduce to you so that you can bless us.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, Dave. Thank you.
Well, sit and make yourself comfortable.
My daughter, you are welcome.
Thank you, Your Highness. Fine.
Okay. Let me stay standing up, sir. Your Royal Majesty, Her Royal Highness, Princess Uju, they are my parents. Igwe here is my father, and Lolo here is my stepmother, and my lovely sister, Princess Masinachi, my family.
Parents.
Yes, they are my family.
Yes, my daughter. Prince Samadi here is our son. Yes. We have been expecting you. Exactly. Come here.
Uju! Guards! Guards! Uju!
Father, my king.
Uju!
kept me waiting. See, Your Majesty is very, very angry because you people could not do the job very well.
It's not our fault that we couldn't do the work very well. Besides, we did our best.
If you people did, the baby wouldn't have survived it.
Let me talk to the Majesty. I'm not here to argue with you. Okay?
Yeah, speak with her.
Hello, Your Majesty. No one has ever survived from such attack. Besides, it seems the baby is a miracle child. No, Your Highness. I'm not here to exchange words. Besides, I'm here for my balance. Besides, you know what the consequence will be if I expose you. Okay, she wants to talk to you. Your Majesty.
Okay, Your Majesty.
My queen. And how is our son? You're welcome back.
Thank you, Igwe.
Good.
Let's go inside.
Very well. After you, darling.
I am sorry I lied to you. I am sorry I lied to you about who I am. But trust me, I have my reasons for doing so.
What could have been your reasons for being whom you're not? You speak this fluent English. You're not even a poor man. You're not a palm white topper I used to know. Do you have a twin brother or something?
Listen,
No, please. I'm not sure you are the man I fell in love with, because right now this whole thing is like a dream to me. I don't know how to explain it. It is not easy for me to realize
just calm down, okay? I know you're hurt. Okay, but it wasn't intentional. Okay? Like I said, I have my reasons for doing all this. Yes.
What could have been your reason? Do you know how hard it is for me to realize that the white chapper I fell in love with is a prince? A prince! Who knows? Who knows, you might have other surprises I don't even know of.
Listen, trust me. I assure you there are no other surprises.
Please, I'm still talking. You know what? I want that same palm white chopper I fell in love with all my heart, my whole body. Not a prince. I don't want you. Excuse me.
My love. I love you. It is me, oh. It is still your baby, you know. Eh? Don't waka leave me like that, no, Biko. Eh? Please. It is me. Eh? Otenku, your love. Yes. It is me, baby.
Are you out of your mind?
What is your problem?
Are you telling me that you cannot see? Or you want to jam me? If you are looking for somebody to kill, go and kill another person. It's not me. Nonsense. What type of nonsense is that? What am I seeing? Who am I seeing? Obianuju, is this you? Hey!
Obianuju. Hey! Obianuju, what is going on? Papa.
Ichie.
Amanda Neze.
Ichie, it is me.
This is you.
Amanda Neze. Hey! Obianuju, what is going on? Eh? Why are you both dressed in royal attires? Hey, Papa, they even have guard. Hey,
Well, the God my you must know. Yes. Amanda Neze here is a prince.
Hmm?
Why I right now am the princess.
Excuse me, please. I don't understand. Please, can you make me to understand, please, Amanda Neze?
Well, Ichie, there is nothing more to explain there. She has told you all. I am the crown prince of Ibarasuna Kingdom. Yes, I am a prince. And your lovely daughter here is the princess.
Excuse me, please. I don't understand. Can you explain the more? Please, explain better for me, please.
Well, I have explained everything to Obianuju, your daughter, and she has understood. But I deem it fit to come down to the village so that I can explain to you more better. And that is why we're here.
Hey.
You see, after I graduated from the university in the US, I came back to Nigeria. And as the crown prince of my kingdom, my parents wanted me to get married. I had different encounters with 6 girls, but all failed.
Hey.
So I decided to leave my kingdom down to your own kingdom in search of a wife. I had encounters with 6 girls, but I'm going to tell you about 2. And it all started by
my son, Amanda Neze. Father, I'm aware you know this beautiful lady.
Yes, Father, I know her very well. She's Floxy, Chief Nduka's daughter. Well, Floxy, where have you been all this while?
Amandi, she went to one of the best schools in West Africa.
Really? Yeah. That's nice.
Agunnea. Omekanea. I want both of you to know each other well. You know what I mean?
Exactly, my prince. But Flox here was my classmate way back in secondary school, before she left the shores of this country to further her studies. But I'm sure you both will be happy together.
Even you?
Trust me, brother. I am very sure about it.
Well, it's okay, Father. I've heard everyone talk, okay? Floxy, you're welcome once again.
Thank you, my prince. It's good to have you here.
Yes, my son. She will make a good queen when you marry her.
Exactly. I like her.
Man, life is fucking good. Oh, goodness.
Jesus Christ. Floxy! What's the meaning of this?
Baby, stop.
Oh, just stop it there. So all you do now is sit at home, smoke and drink all day? God, when will you stop this nonsense?
Oh,
baby. What else do you want me to do? The maids and the guards there to perform the the domestic checks in this palace.
Oh, did you just stop all this nonsense? Stop it! God! What have... God! What have you become? So is there nothing else you can do in this palace rather than smoking and drinking?
Yes. There's something I can do. You know what? I can make love to you.
Oh, God.
Like nobody else ever do. Just...
Stop!
Oh.
Stop it! God. Get out!
Oh, my goodness.
Jeez, you disgust me.
Oh.
Get out!
Oh my God. Anyway. Who cares? Let me enjoy my life, Jerry. Oh my God. I think he's just crazy. He will come back. You know, I can't give him enough love.
Floxy, what is the meaning of this? Is this the level you've degenerated yourself to? What is this?
What else do you expect me to do when you don't care how I feel emotionally? I'm so tired.
Jesus Christ, what has come over you? What has come over you? Listen, Floxy, I think I have had enough of this, okay? I am done with your attitudes. I want you to leave my house right now.
It's you that exhibits stupidity and not me. What's your problem? When will you measure up? In fact, I have seen that this relationship isn't working out. I want to leave.
Better.
Give me my phone.
I think that will even be the best thing for you to do. Just get your things and get out of my house. I am sick and tired of this attitude. Now get out! Out!
You will call my line. By then, it will be too late.
Oh, just get out!
I have moved on.
Get out!
I will never come back to you.
Get out! Get out! Get out! Jesus Christ. And then I met Nancy. Hey, babe. How are you? Come here.
I'm fine, honey. How are you?
I'm good. So how was the day?
Fine. This is your morning.
My money?
Mm-hmm.
I am not actually looking for any money, so where did you get this from?
I found this money in your clothes this morning when I was washing them. I actually washed them with my hands.
Really? You washed with your hands?
Yes, honey.
But why would you do that? I mean, we have more than 3 washing machines in this palace, so why would you wash with your hands?
Babe, that's how I was brought up. I was brought up washing my own clothes with my hands. Besides, it's my primary responsibility to take good care of you, wash your clothes, cook for you, love you, and care for you.
Oh, thank you very much, okay? I really do appreciate.
Honey, let me rush to the kitchen and prepare your food.
You actually want to cook for me?
Sure.
The maids are there.
Honey, I'll make your favorite.
Really? Yes, I'm coming. Okay. I'll be here waiting, alright?
Prince, from today, you will do as I say. I take control over your life, your body, spirit, and soul. You must marry me.
You lie. Nancy. So this is really who you are. I thought you were different from every other girl. You came here pretending to be a saint? You think you can come into my house to bewitch me?
Honey, no.
Just shut up. I swear to God Almighty, if you do not leave this palace right now, I will kill you with my bare hands. Now, pack your things and get out.
Honey, it's not what you think. It's just a drama. I'm just playing a drama, honey. It's not what you think.
Really?
Yes.
You were playing a drama?
Yes, honey.
Let's play the drama together.
Honey, please, please.
I don't want to touch you. Please. I will tell you for the last time.
Please.
Get there! Pack your things and get out of my house!
Honey, please.
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Please, please. Please, don't put me to shame. Please.